I want to welcome you to today's tutorial on how to open an account with HFM. So we are going to take it slowly. First is you click on the link on the channel and you get straight to this web page. Now when you click on the link, it brings you straight up to this page and then you click on register. Now on the next page, you have to choose the different type of account you want to open. So it's either an individual account, a corporate account, a joint account. As an individual, you click and select your country of residence, which is Nigeria. So let's select Nigeria here and you put the email address. Okay, then you accept and register. Now after that page, it brings you to a page where you have to confirm your email address. So you provide the code you receive in your mailbox to pass this particular stage. Alright, so let's provide the code. After providing the code, you click on verify. Now that is all set up for you and you are ready to go over to your client area. So after this, it automatically takes you to your client area where you have to set up your account and provide other details to confirm your account and also to verify your account, obviously. So here you have to put out your details. So on this page, fill out your details to proceed with your registration. After filling out this page, then you click on continue to proceed to the next step. Now you're on your dashboard and this is where it gets interesting. Now on this dashboard, you get to choose different account type you want to trade with. Okay, we have the cent account, the premium account, zero spread, the pro account. So the bonus account actually gives you a bonus of 100% on your first deposit. Okay, the maximum capital you are depositing here is $500 and not even on the first deposit alone. You have a cap of $500, so you can deposit up to $500 on this bonus account and then get double of your deposit, which is actually very, very great because you get to have more equity to trade with and obviously to increase your chances of winning. So let's get started with a bonus account. Now on this bonus account, you can see I selected the bonus account. Now you get to choose the platform you want to use. Either you want to use the MT4 or HFM or MT5. So let's choose HFM or MT5 and let's choose currency. Our leverage is 1:1000. Yeah. Now this particular nickname here is the name that shows in your MT5. The next thing is set up your password for your trading account and that is all done. Now right on this panel where you have to choose your introducing broker, which is the referral that referred you to HFM, this is where you put in my unique code, which is, once all this is set up, proceed to open account. Now you have successfully opened a trading account and it is now time to move on to the next step. Thank you. See you on the next one.